So today I'm going to be unboxing my Waseca order that came in. I got 3 things and let me show you what they are. One of the first things I got is the Animals of the World measuring tape. And it's so cool. I thought it was going to be little, like a little measuring tape, but it's so nice. The material's super soft. And it's cool because not only can the kids measure themselves to see what animal they're as tall as or their wingspan is, or it tells you the specific thing. So this, like for the birds it's wingspan, or for some of the most of the birds it's wingspan, but like the length with tail. So not only is it that tall, this meerkat, but also the length of the whole tail and different animals. And it's a big rope, so I think it will be fun for the students to be able to. And then I will show you, I got the elementary continent bundle, and I really got this for the game. I love using materials in a different way, and especially with a game. I make a lot of games with the math materials and everything, but this one comes with a game. So let's see if I could just lay it down so I can show you. Wow! How cool is that? I've also had, at a previous school, I've had the water cycle bundle, or I don't know if it's the water cycle mat that was the same, I believe it was the same type, but I also had the seasons one that we used for the birthday celebrations where they put the seasons and walk around. We used that at different schools, so I believe it was the seasons one, although we used it for the birthday, which was definitely like this. And I believe the water cycle one was also like this, but it could have been like the next one I will show you. But I don't remember it being like that. I remember it being like this, but maybe they changed it. I don't know, because that was a couple of years ago. But this one, it's like a cloth material, and of course it comes in a nice cloth bag. And this whole box of stuff comes with it. And obviously the nice thing about Waseca is the containers and like the nice wood, because I also use their the reading drawers, I believe is what they're officially called. I just used like those Michael photo boxes. I got them on a big sale to like store everything, and I've shown those in my videos before. But we use those all the time, and we just call them the Waseca, like, and then the kids don't have to check that off their list to do those. They do 1 page of one color every week, and I like those, but I don't have the beautiful colored drawers, which, would be a dream to get. But there is so many cool wooden ones that come with this. I especially like this one. That is just amazing. It would be very cute if they were color-coded, but sometimes I like these ones because when they're just the outline of them, so the kids actually have to identify them, because sometimes I think the kids think that the whole North America is just orange, or not that they actually do, but I'm not saying they don't though. I'm sure many students, especially with the younger students, but this is so cool. I'm not even sure what exactly goes in this box yet. I guess I will have to see, but it comes with a nice lesson guide, and I'm pretty sure all of the if you click on their A to Z PDF downloadable library, I'm pretty sure almost all their instructions for different things are free to just download, so you get an idea of what's in the kit, is what I've seen, but maybe they changed it since I've looked. I don't know, but see, they talk about the continent games, the command cards, and different things like that. There's also another container. We'll see what I use that for. I will read exactly. There's the guide to the lessons and games, the mat and the storage, the 7 3-part continent cards, which I'm going to assume are these ones. I did not open them. I guess I could open them. 5 3-part ocean cards, which is also nice. And then the continent game, which the continent game is all in here, which is so nice. I also didn't open these ones yet, but I'm so excited to use them. And I love special dice, and these ones are the cardinal directions. Let's see if it will focus. There we go. But there's also like the southeast, northwest, you know. So I'm so excited to actually get to play this game with the students. And then I believe these are the pieces they move. I think when I looked at them, they were little ships. Oh, there's a ship, a submarine. Is that a blimp? A boat? This is so cool. Like a jet and like an old-fashioned little plane. It's even cool because even if, let's say, because these are a little bit thin, but they're nice wood, but I'm hoping the kids are very gentle with these things. And I'll make a big deal about how we have to be gentle with the items and everything. But even if these did end up breaking somehow, or you did lose them, even though they're so amazing like this, you could also use different pieces. Like I love to use the stamp game pieces for the division for the game pieces that I used for math. So those could also be used. So let's see. These are a bunch of different, I'm assuming these are the landforms in brown, and then these will be the water forms. And this is why I also got this one, because the land and water forms, and we have the advanced land and water form cards just from the training bundle, but this one has so many specific places, and it's cool. And it's cool because they also tell you on the back what continent they are from. That is amazing. So it's, you know, self-correcting. Okay, so I believe I set it up a little bit nicer so you could see all the things. So this is the game part, and I show you the dice, and then I'll have to see how you play it, but I think you use the squares and go around. I didn't read the directions yet, but that'll be exciting to see. And then there's different cards like these. So we'll see what those are used for. But those are nice names and the nice dice. I did set up with the cute box the different cards. And then these are the land and water form cards. These are the land and water form cards. I don't think it came with the container, but that's okay. And then this last one for this box, well, they are level 1, 2, and 3 command cards, and they come in this nice container. I'm assuming these ones go in here, maybe not. If not, this is what I'm doing, and then I'll put those other ones in a different spot. But that is so cool for these ones. And so I didn't know if I was going to get this, and because I have like an ocean work, and obviously there's a lot of continent works in Montessori, and the command cards are nice, and then the land and water forms, as I was saying, we have like the advanced land and water forms, but these are like, you could see them on a map and where they are, and it's, you know, actual names of, not just types of, you know, and around the world. And then what I really got this for was for the game, and I'm hoping the students play the game all the time, so that's awesome. But the actual reason, the 100% reason why I ordered from Waseca this time is for the thing I will show you next. Now, I love teaching about can you guess what it is? The rock cycle. I like teaching about the rocks in general, but I do enjoy very much teaching about the rocks, and so I've been wanting this one for I've been wanting this material for a long time. It's just so beautiful, and I thought it was going to be the same like cloth material as the map one, but this one, I believe it's called vinyl, so that's very cool. So the first thing I'll show you that talks about the thing is they come with some information cards. I guess you would call them, because they're not 3-part cards. I don't know what they exactly... Or it says a fact file cards with storage box. So we have the layers of the earth, which obviously I already have that work, but that's, you know, I always find with different, if I have multiples of the same work, like the oceans, I already have 2 works because the other one had oceans, but they always have different or more information. Like everything I see always has more and more information. Okay, so I laid it out nicely, and it also comes with the control chart, which also is a very interesting, you know, a very cool poster, you know, and these were also when I was at a school that had a had the water cycle map. I know we had these as well, and everybody knows my favorite Montessori material is the grammar symbols. So, or the material / concept. My favorite concept in Montessori is the grammar symbol. So I love that these are color coded for the symbols. And so what they do is they make sentences with them. So these are an, but a, or we could have done an with just bring it up. An eruption, or maybe it goes an, a loud eruption goes through a volcano, you know. So I don't know what words are actually in here yet, but like grows, oh, that's a cool one, is travels. So they make sentences to explain the different ways. I thought that, I'm pretty sure that the, well, I don't know, but I thought the other one came with like pre-made sentences so the kids would make them, but maybe not. I'm not sure. And then I think these are cool. Well, these are the different types of rocks, and I'm assuming you could put them on the mat somewhere where, you know, where they would be formed. But then I thought these were very cool because it talks about, and it has words on the back of explaining the where it is. So then it also matches up like on, so you have to find where it matches up on the mat, and it kind of blends in. Isn't that so cool? I think it's amazing. And then it goes in a huge circle. So I'm so excited to be able to teach about these ones. Yes, but those are the 3 things I got for now. What else have I gotten? We also had, I believe, the grammar drawers, but when I had them I didn't use those much, but for some I did. Those were, but we had the actual drawers for those too, so it was just beautiful to have in the class. But yeah, these are the things I got, and thank you for watching.